Are you looking for the top 5 air fryers for chips? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best air fryers for chips on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. COSORI CP158AF. Our editor's choice holds industry certifications for compliance to safety standards and energy efficiency. The PFOA-free and BPA-free unit is certified by ETL and listed by UL, which protects consumers from harmful products. To make your cooking not only healthier but also more diversified, COSORI CP158AF air fryer features a deep and square design which can hold up to 5.8 quarts of food, a cookbook with 100 original recipes, a beeping reminder to shake your food for even cooking, maximum cooking temperature of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a large LED display and a digital touchscreen panel with 11 built-in settings for steak, poultry, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, desserts, and the preheat function to save time. Safety features include automatic shut-off which prevents overcooking food or overheating the air fryer, and a handle that stays cool, and a sliding button guard which secures the basket to prevent accidental detachment. Customers count this top-rated model as the best air fryer for fresh chips because it allows them to customize the seasoning for personalized flavor while using 85% less fat than in a deep fryer. They also like the keep warm function, which gives it an edge over other models in the same price range. You have to toggle between the timer and temperature because they share a button. This is somewhat inconvenient but not a deal breaker. At number 2. NuWave Brio Air Fryer. What makes this model the best air fryer for homemade chips is the sheer number of adjustable settings so that you could personalize your meals as opposed to the usual temperature and time dials found on other air fryers. You can even choose among 900, 1500 and 1800 watts to broil steaks or fry chicken in low heat, or select any of the 6 preset settings for French fries, frozen fries, nuggets, steak, poultry, or fish. Select your preferred wattage once the unit powers on and starts blinking. Otherwise, it will automatically operate on the highest wattage. NuWave Brio Air Fryer comes with a 3-piece gourmet kit consisting of a non-stick baking pan, a stainless steel cooking rack, and a cookbook, as well as a programmable timer that runs up to 100 hours and cooking temperature of 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to accommodate versatile menus. This unit has a 6-quart capacity and is quite large in size. It is actually the largest on our list, with dimensions of 19.6 x 17.7 x 16.2 inches. It also features a black sleek design and an LED digital control panel with user-friendly touch buttons, including a preheat option and an automatic reheat button which runs for 4 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. When you first use this air fryer, it may emit the smell of burning plastic, which soon disappears. At number 3. Big Boss Oilless Air Fryer. Heat fluctuations will be a thing of the past with this model, which uses halogen, convection, and infrared heat to distribute heat evenly while locking in the juices to prevent the meat from drying out, making it the best hot air fryer for chips and other healthy meals. The transparent glass bowl allows you to monitor food progress without opening the heat chamber to limit heat loss and maintain temperatures of up to 480 degrees F. Big Boss Oilless Air Fryer comes with 2 cooking racks for simultaneous preparation of different meals and an extender ring which fits onto the rim to expand the cooking capacity to 16 quarts and increase the height for larger meals such as a full turkey. Customers particularly praise its prowess for making chips with a little spritz of oil, so it may just be your best shot at recreating the popular Lay's potato chips in the comfort of your home. Since it doubles up as a dehydrator, you can also prepare desserts with dried fruit. Other notable features include instant heating, which eliminates the need to thaw or preheat food, a timer with an auto shut-off safety function, food icons with their respective cooking temperature on the unit, and a book with 50+ versatile recipes. This Big Boss model is ideal for big servings, but its size is quite bulky, and the round design does not help much. At number 4. DFAF 455 GBAQ01. If you have a large family or you enjoy the convenience of batch cooking and would like a healthier and cheaper substitute to dining out while retaining the mouth-watering flavor and the crispy and crunchy texture of your favorite delicacies, we have the right model for you. DFAF 455GBAQ01 Air Fryer is the best air fryer for crispy chips on Amazon, a bestseller which boasts of impressive ratings by satisfied customers. The FDA-tested, and ETL-certified cooker requires 1,700 wattage to fry up to 6 quarts of food at once using air crisp technology which reduces added oil by up to 70 to 80%. Whether you want to indulge in crispy chicken that will not clog your arteries, or utilize the compatible 110 voltage in North America to make the French fries which are known as crisps in the UK, this air fryer is adequately equipped to cook a variety of meals at varied temperature up to a maximum of 400 degrees F while the timer with an auto shut-off function prevents undercooking. DFAF 455GBAQ01 is available in black, white, red and aqua colors, and it comes with a recipe book and instant access to a larger recipe database, making it a versatile cuisine vessel that will blend in with most decor and other kitchen appliances. You will also like the tray and basket which easily slid and can be lifted out for cleaning in a dishwasher, as well as their non-stick coating which eliminates buildup. A few customers have complained about the basket's handle, which comes off loose. At number 5. Chefman 3.5-liter Air Fryer. The low pricing of Chefman 3.5-liter air fryer is just one of the many things that make this budget-friendly model a bargain. It also comes with a space-saving design, simple controls that are easy to operate, and dishwasher-safe parts that make cleaning a breeze and make this unit the best air fryer for homemade chips. The non-stick basket has a capacity of 3.5 quarts to provide a small family with healthier crispy meals prepared by rapid air circulation, which uses little to no oil to reduce calories. The basket is detachable and has a flat design which increases the cooking capacity by 40% without increasing the footprint, therefore complementing the compact size of the air fryer for convenient placement on counters and other limited spaces. A dial at the top of the unit allows you to adjust the temperature from 175 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the front dial is used to set the 60-minute timer to ensure your food is cooked evenly.